Square up. Nail the move. That's the powerful tagline DJI chose to tease what could easily be one of their most ambitious launches yet. And based on the growing wave of leaks, it seems that tagline was no accident. It perfectly reflects the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, a camera that aims to revolutionize compact action shooting once again. With the official launch date reportedly set for November 18th, the hype is already building across tech circles. From the upgraded 1.1-inch square sensor to its new variable aperture lens, the Osmo Action 6 appears ready to set a brand new standard in action camera performance and creative flexibility. At first glance, the Osmo Action 6 might look familiar, continuing the rugged rectangular design language of its predecessor, the Action 5 Pro. But once you study it closely, subtle refinements begin to stand out. The body seems more compact yet thicker, roughly 70 x 45 x 35 mm and around 150 grams in weight. That extra depth hints at a larger imaging sensor inside, one of the biggest internal upgrades DJI has made in its action camera series. The decision to move from a 1.3-inch sensor to a 1.1-inch square-type sensor represents a shift toward improved light performance, higher clarity, and true framing flexibility. This new sensor shape could be a game-changer. Traditionally, creators needed to rotate or remount their cameras when switching from horizontal to vertical shots. But with a square sensor, the Osmo Action 6 might make that process effortless. Whether you're shooting 16.9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok and Instagram Reels, the camera can automatically adapt its frame orientation without physically turning the device. That's huge for content creators who shoot fast-paced scenes or multi-format projects. The larger sensor also means a roughly 40% improvement in light efficiency compared to the Action 5 Pro. That translates to brighter, more detailed images in low light and better control over exposure in bright conditions. But the biggest innovation might be the introduction of a variable aperture lens, a feature rarely seen in action cameras. Instead of being locked at f2.8 like the previous model, the Osmo Action 6 lets users adjust from f2.0 to f4.0, giving control over depth of field and exposure. In bright outdoor environments, you can close down to f4.0 for sharper, crisper detail. Indoors or at dusk, open to f2.0 to let in more light and maintain balanced exposure without cranking ISO. From a filmmaking perspective, this addition puts the Osmo Action 6 closer to professional mirrorless cameras than any action cam before it. It provides creative control, allowing you to manipulate light, motion, and perspective, instead of just relying on automatic settings. This means you can finally get cinematic results from a palm-sized waterproof device. And when it comes to video resolution, DJI isn't holding back either. The leaks indicate the Osmo Action 6 can record up to 8K at 30 frames per second with HDR, and potentially even ProRes support for higher bitrate color flexibility. That's joined by 5.3K at 60 FPS, 4K at 120 FPS, and 1080p at 240 FPS for buttery smooth slow-motion capture. Whether you're filming mountain biking, surfing, or cinematic B-roll, this range of frame rates makes the Osmo Action 6 one of the most versatile cameras on the market. Of course, higher resolutions and faster frame rates generate heat, a common challenge in compact devices. DJI is reportedly using improved heat management materials and new thermal design to help maintain performance during long recordings. This will be critical for 8K or 5.3K shoots, which can easily push hardware to its limits. In terms of stabilization, DJI is upgrading to RockSteady 4.0, powered by enhanced AI algorithms for smoother motion tracking and smart horizon lock. The previous generation already had excellent stability, but RockSteady 4.0 promises to handle even more aggressive movement, from rapid downhill rides to handheld cinematic pans, keeping footage silky smooth and perfectly level. The addition of AI-based horizon correction ensures your shot stays balanced, even if the camera tilts or flips. Dual OLED screens make a welcome return, maintaining the trademark front-facing display for vloggers and the larger rear screen for framing and playback. The back display is reportedly about 2.5 inches with a cleaner, more minimal interface. Touch responsiveness and UI layout have been refined for faster control access, something creators will appreciate when filming on the move. Battery performance also receives a boost. While the capacity remains around 1,150 mAh, improvements in efficiency allow the Osmo Action 6 to last significantly longer on a single charge. DJI claims it can record over 4 hours of continuous 4K footage, which is remarkable for such a small body. The hot swappable battery system means you can replace batteries mid-shoot without interrupting power, perfect for extended travel or documentary sessions. Waterproofing remains robust, with 20 meters of depth protection out of the box and up to 60 meters with an additional case. DJI's design ensures that this durability doesn't compromise lens clarity or microphone performance, maintaining crisp audio and visuals underwater. Compared to the Osmo Action 5 Pro, the new generation is more about refinement and evolution than a radical redesign, much like the transition from GoPro Hero 11 to 12. The previous model already offered high-resolution recording, reliable stabilization, and excellent daylight results. But the Osmo Action 6 looks to fix its weak spots: low light performance, limited exposure control, and heat buildup. Together, the larger sensor, wider aperture range, and AI-assisted processing make this model far more flexible for real-world use. The tagline, "Square up, nail the move," suddenly makes perfect sense. It's not referring to the camera's outer design, but rather its square sensor inside, a clever nod to the new internal structure. This square sensor format gives the Osmo Action 6 a more balanced imaging system, ideal for creators working across multiple aspect ratios. The official reveal event is expected to go live on November 18th at 12 p.m. GMT, with a global live stream unveiling the camera alongside new accessories and color options. Pricing leaks suggest the standard combo will cost around $379 USD, $379 EUR, or $329 GBP. There will also be an adventure combo that includes extra batteries, mounts, and a protective cage for roughly $479 USD. Considering the hardware improvements, that pricing seems competitive against rivals like GoPro's Hero 12 Black or Insta360's Ace Pro. So, the big question, should you upgrade? If you already own the Osmo Action 5 Pro and primarily shoot daytime sports or travel clips, you might not urgently need to. The 5 Pro is still a capable device for casual use. But if you often film in low light, prefer manual control over your visuals, or work in professional content creation where image quality is everything, the Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a must-have upgrade. The combination of 8K HDR, variable aperture, and AI stabilization easily sets it apart in the 2025 action camera landscape. Beyond the technical specs, what really makes the Osmo Action 6 exciting is how it aligns with the way modern creators work. In 2025, short-form vertical content, cinematic travel videos, and hybrid platform workflows dominate. DJI seems to have engineered this camera specifically for that, bridging the gap between social media creators and serious filmmakers. The square sensor and adaptive framing eliminate one of the biggest headaches, having to choose between shooting vertical or horizontal. You can do both, simultaneously if needed, saving massive amounts of time in post-production. Another important factor is color science and image processing. DJI's color profiles have always leaned toward natural tones, with strong mid-range contrast and clean shadows. With this larger sensor and upgraded image pipeline, expect deeper color depth and better dynamic range. The Osmo Action 6 will likely support 10-bit recording for richer gradation and improved HDR workflows. Combined with ProRes or high bitrate H.265, that means you'll get footage that grades beautifully in post-art audio, has also been a quiet yet impactful area of improvement. The built-in microphones are rumored to feature directional noise reduction and wind filtering, perfect for vlogging outdoors. Paired with DJI's Mic 2 system, which can wirelessly connect to the camera, creators can achieve pro-level sound without external recorders. When you consider all these refinements, the new optics, sensor processing, stabilization, battery management, and connectivity, the DJI Osmo Action 6 stands out as one of the most balanced action cameras ever made. It isn't just a tool for extreme sports. It's evolving into a powerful storytelling device capable of producing broadcast-quality footage in nearly any condition. If you're planning to upgrade your setup or start your creator journey in 2025, this might be the perfect camera to anchor your kit. Its features hit the sweet spot between performance, price, and portability. And for most content creators, that's the magic formula. So get ready to square up and nail the move, because the DJI Osmo Action 6 isn't just another camera. It's the future of compact cinematic creativity.